Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's vital for everyone: how to strengthen our bones by eating fruits. You might be surprised how much impact the right fruits can have on your bone health. Let's explore. First fruit are oranges. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is crucial for the formation of collagen, a protein that provides a framework for your bones. They also contain calcium and potassium, vital for maintaining bone density and preventing bone loss. Consuming an orange or a glass of fresh orange juice in the morning can kickstart your day with a burst of these nutrients. Aim for one medium-sized orange or a cup of juice daily to reap the benefits without overloading on sugar. Next, I inform you about the benefits of eating oranges. In addition to vitamin C, oranges are rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation, another factor that can weaken bones. Regular consumption can also help maintain healthy skin, support your immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, making them a fantastic all-around choice for your diet. Second fruit that makes bones powerful are kiwis. Kiwis are packed with vitamins C and K, along with trace minerals like potassium and magnesium, which play a role in bone health. Vitamin K helps in bone mineralization, while magnesium aids in the absorption of calcium. Eating 2 kiwis a day, preferably in the afternoon or as a mid-morning snack, can help maintain your bone health. Listen how kiwis strengthen bones. The combination of these nutrients not only supports bone density, but also contributes to overall skeletal strength. Additionally, kiwis are high in fiber, which promotes digestive health, and their antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress, a factor that can compromise bone integrity. Optimal times and quantities for consumption. For the best impact on bone health, it's recommended to consume 1 medium-sized orange, a cup of orange juice in the morning. For kiwis, 2 fruits a day, either as a mid-morning snack or in the afternoon, are ideal. This timing helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively throughout the day. By incorporating these 2 fruits into your daily diet, you can significantly boost your bone health. Remember, consistency is key. Start your mornings with an orange and enjoy kiwis later in the day. Your will feel changing in body. Thank you for watching. For more health tips and nutrition advice, be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Take care and stay strong.